she is representing Boulder.
Who here knows someone who's been directly affected by either breast cancer or heart disease? Know anyone who's denied themselves medical treatment due to the fear of being financially burdened? Did you know heart disease is the #1 leading cause of death in American women? And that 42% of women of fair to poor health do deny themselves coverage every day? We can fix this. My name is Bonni, Doherty, and I'm an executive fitness coach. And tonight I'm going to talk about how we use my experience in Young Careerist program to educate, enhance, and influence women as it relates to healthcare. This is a complex problem for which there may be many solutions, but tonight I'm going to focus on two which are my personal passions: prevent and protect. It's essential to educate women about the power of prevention as well as provide an equitable solution should anything happen. As a young woman working in the occupational therapy field, I thought it was going to be my job just to treat patients, and that wasn't necessarily the case. First, I had to separate everyone's health care insurance into two piles, one I could treat and one I couldn't. Out of wondering why, I would go look, and what I found was astonishing. That your average everyday 45 to 70 years of age and in perfect rehabilitation condition. Again, why? It's then that I realized that things were not as they seemed. Not only was I unable to treat patients without health care insurance, I was unable to treat patients without the right health care insurance. Feeling hopeless and depressed, my reality left me most of my days crying in the bathroom. Can you imagine if the people that I could not treat was somebody that you deeply loved? But this story, along with my journey, did leave me with two pearls, and my luck around working with healthcare around the world as well. Again, prevent and protect. As for prevention, this is why I focused my entire life on creating preventative wellness programs for individuals and organizations. There are simple things you can do every day to stay well, like 1, doing cardiovascular exercise. 2, eating smaller meals throughout the day. 3, eating less sugar. 4, drinking plenty of water. 5, doing yoga. 6, doing meditation. As for protection, if you don't take the time now to inform yourself about women's health issues, you will literally forfeit your right to do anything about them. You can protect yourself by 1, staying informed about women's issues. 2, being aware of women in your community that may need your help. 3, being engaged with getting your own personal medical levels checked. 4, being active in your own personal prevention. 5, being educated in the research pertaining to your own health. And 6, getting involved. You can get involved with great organizations like BPW, as well as Healthcare for All Colorado, a great nonprofit organization, along with corporate sponsors, physicians, and citizens who are trying to pass HB 1273. It's a single-payer health act system that would allow for all Coloradans to have health care, period. This act successfully passed would be a great pilot for HR 676, a federal program that I spoke about when I was a senior in high school. In closing, let me ask you one question. Is it possible that one choice can make great change? We, as a united group of individuals, can make the choice now, today, to prevent and protect. For this will not only ensure the lives of ourselves, but our family, our community, and create a healthier, happier America tomorrow. Thanks, and be well.